in Italy. We made it here yesterday. We came into Milan and honestly went straight to sleep. Today we're kind of exploring the town. We walked around, went to breakfast at Oops Cafe, and now we're at this castle. Pretty cool looking castle. And now we're on our way to Leonardo da Vinci's garden or vineyard. We're gonna see if it's open because online it says it's closed, but hopefully it's open, fingers crossed. It's a few hours later and we're at the Cathedral of Milan. We didn't make it to the Leonardo da Vinci's gardens because it was closed apparently, but we're here at the cathedral. We just went to the Galleria of something over there. It's like right off the side. There's like stores and stuff that you could walk around, and I don't even know what we're doing next here. Thoughts so far?
This is definitely the coolest building I've ever seen.
Anton is so in awe of this whole building. He's pointing out every single detail.
Not every single. Like, there's too much to look at. Just how much effort went into this is just mind-blowing. That's what I'm appreciating.
We were on our way to the Aroma Napolitano cafe. I'm gonna butcher every single place here, but we were on our way to this cafe and it randomly started raining like pretty hard. There was a cloud that was just passing through, but we had to like go alongside the buildings that have like coverings just to get here, and it's pretty nice. Now it's like a chill vibe, drinking hot tea.
Biggest croissant of my life.
Yeah, these croissants, and they were such a good price too. $7.50. But it's so cute.
€7.
7 euros. Good morning, it's the next day and we made it down to Lake Como today. We took a train down to Varenna and right now we're at Villa Monastero. I hope I'm not butchering that, but it's so beautiful here. Like the view in front of me right now is insane. Let me show you guys. Look how stunning that is. It's like a movie out here. We had a little breakfast at Cafe Varenna in the morning and then we kind of just made it down to this villa, walked around, took pictures. We're basically done exploring the villa right now. We're gonna maybe take a boat down to Bellagio if we can make it there on a ferry. It's later on in the day and we made it over to Bellagio via ferry. The line was kind of long, but it was worth it. We're here. It's beautiful. Look at the background. Are you kidding me? Everything here is like wow, 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 wow. Anyways, now we're at Villa del Milzi and we're kind of just getting a tour of the gardens now. We're making our way over to the actual villa and we're going to show you guys around.